We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning in British English because the American pronunciation is different and we'll get to it in a second. In British English, this is said as Elysian. You do want to stress on the second syllable, Elysian. In American English, however, this is normally said as Elysian. Elysian in American English versus Elysian in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.